Today I'll ask you one question and you just give me the answer. Have you ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while everyone is still struggling just to buy? It's not just a luck, it's completely different from the thinking about the money. And remember, these things school won't teach you about this, but if you understand the whole perspective of wealth will change in your life. So let's start and understand its concepts. So basically, there are three types of people in our society when it's come to money. Like first one, the poor; the second way, the middle class; and the third is the richer. And the way they manage their income determines where they end up. So look at the poor. They have a job, they earn a few salary, and as soon as they get paid, the money goes straight to expenses and taxes, rent, food, transportation. There's nothing left to invest in any kind of big investment, future investment, and they don't own any kind of assets. This is the condition of the poor people. Now let's move to the middle class, where the most of the people get trapped, and I am also one of them. They also earn a money, but they also earn a salary, but instead of just spending on the necessities, they start taking on liabilities like mortgages, car loans, credit debt, student loan, etc., etc. These things feels like asset, but they actually take money out of their pockets every month, and their income goes towards paying off these debts, and they never truly build a good wealth. Now let's move to the richer. What is the difference? Instead of relying on a salary, they have multiple income streams like rental income, dividend, royalties, and other passive sources. But here's the key difference is that instead of spending their money on liabilities, but they use it to buy real estate like what, like stock, businesses, intellectual property. These things put money into their pocket instead of thinking it out. Okay. So basically, and here is the real kicker is what, the liabilities of the middle class. Things like mortgages, loans, credit debt are actually of the asset of the rich. The rich own the banks and the companies and the properties that the middle class borrows money from them. That's why wealth keeps growing at the top. Did you got it? What I said? This is the real fact in our society, which is not explained by anyone. Okay, so if you want to escape from this cycle, you have to stop thinking like a middle class and focus on building assets, reducing the liabilities. Then it will comes to you and making your money work for you. That's the difference between staying stuck and achieving financial freedom. Okay, so guys, this is the today's video. Hope you got some positive things in your life. Valuable content I'll upload here. It makes you some creative, and you will different from the others. Okay, so stay productive, stay healthy, love you all, bye.